For many years we believed our genes were our destiny. We thought the DNA we inherited at birth set a fixed course for our health. However, a revolutionary field of science is changing this perspective entirely. This field is called epigenetics. It shows us that our health story is far more dynamic than we ever imagined. Epigenetics literally means above or on top of genetics. It studies changes in gene activity that do not involve alterations to the underlying DNA sequence itself. This is the Triad Longevity Academy led by Dr. Obinna, where we walk with you towards optimal health and longevity. Let me explain. Think of your DNA as the hardware in a computer. Epigenetics is like the software that tells the hardware how to function. It can switch genes on or off. These changes can be influenced by our environment and daily choices. The incredible part is that these epigenetic modifications are often reversible. This means that even if you have a genetic predisposition to a certain disease, you are not necessarily fated to develop it. Your lifestyle choices can send messages to your genes, altering their expression in beneficial ways. This power to influence our own genetic activity is profound. We are active participants in our well-being. This is the promise of epigenetics, a new frontier in medicine and personal wellness. The world of science has been buzzing with discoveries that underpin our understanding of epigenetics. Just recently, in October 2024, the Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine was awarded to Victor Ambros and Gary Ruvkun. They were recognized for their groundbreaking discovery of microRNAs. These tiny molecules play a huge role in how our genes are regulated. MicroRNAs or miRNAs are small snippets of RNA. They act like master switches, binding to messenger RNAs, mRNAs, and preventing them from being translated into proteins. This effectively silences the gene. This discovery has opened up vast new possibilities for understanding disease processes and developing new therapeutic strategies. Further validating the importance of this field, other prestigious awards have recognized pioneers in epigenetics. For instance, the Harvey Prize was awarded to Stephen Balin, Andrew Feinberg, and Peter Jones for their work on DNA methylation. DNA methylation involves adding a small chemical tag to DNA which can turn genes on or off. These discoveries collectively show that gene expression is a highly dynamic and regulated process. It is not just about the sequence of genes we have. This control system is where lifestyle interventions can make a powerful difference. Prediabetes and prehypertension are serious warning signs. They indicate that your body is struggling to maintain healthy blood sugar and blood pressure levels. Millions of people live with these conditions, often unaware of the risks. The good news is that epigenetics offers a powerful lens through which we can understand and tackle these issues. This is where we ask you to like this video and click on the subscribe button and the bell. To get the best out of our academy, your daily habits can directly influence the epigenetic marks that control genes involved in metabolism and cardiovascular health. This means you have the power to potentially reverse these conditions before they become full-blown diseases. Research shows that dietary choices and physical activity levels can alter DNA methylation patterns. These patterns affect genes responsible for insulin signaling and glucose metabolism. Similarly, lifestyle factors play a crucial epigenetic role in prehypertension. Chronic stress, high salt intake, and a sedentary lifestyle can trigger epigenetic modifications. By managing stress, reducing sodium intake, and engaging in regular physical activity, you can positively influence these epigenetic markers. This can help lower your blood pressure and improve your overall health. Cancer is a complex disease. Genetic mutations play a role, but epigenetics adds another layer, especially early on. Epigenetic changes can switch off tumor suppressor genes and switch on oncogenes. Abnormal DNA methylation patterns are a hallmark of many cancers. A healthy diet and avoiding toxins support healthy DNA methylation. Regular physical activity also has beneficial epigenetic effects. Your lifestyle is a powerful tool in cancer defense. Alzheimer's disease progressively affects memory, thinking, and behavior. The focus was primarily on genetic risk factors like the APOE4 gene. Epigenetics shows our brain health is influenced by lifestyle and environment. Epigenetic mechanisms play a critical role in learning, memory, and neuronal function. Disruptions in these processes are linked to Alzheimer's. Could lifestyle interventions help slow or reverse early Alzheimer's? Cognitive activities stimulate neural pathways and beneficial epigenetic changes. Diet and physical activity are powerful modulators of brain epigenetics. A brain-healthy lifestyle can fortify our brains against cognitive decline. Understanding the science of epigenetics is fascinating, but the real power comes from knowing how to apply this knowledge in our daily lives. You have an epigenetic toolkit at your disposal. This toolkit consists of practical lifestyle strategies that can positively influence your gene expression. These strategies can help you prevent disease and promote overall well-being. Let's explore some of the most effective tools. First, let's talk about diet. What you eat provides the raw materials and the signals that communicate with your genes. A diet centered around whole, unprocessed foods is fundamental. This includes an abundance of colorful fruits and vegetables. Whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats, such as those found in avocados and nuts, are also important. Conversely, limiting processed foods, sugary drinks, and unhealthy fats can prevent negative epigenetic modifications. Next is regular physical activity. Exercise is not just about burning calories or building muscle, it is a potent epigenetic modulator. When you exercise, your muscles release compounds that can travel throughout your body and influence gene expression in various tissues. The key is to find activities you enjoy and can stick with. The journey through the science of epigenetics brings us to a truly empowering conclusion. You are not simply a product of your inherited genes. Your daily choices, what you eat, how you move, how you manage stress communicate with your DNA. These choices shape your epigenome and influence gene expression. This is a message of hope and personal responsibility. Embracing epigenetic well-being means recognizing the power within your hands. The future is in your hands, written in your daily actions.